Hi students. Okay, today we are learning the topic is Cauchy's mean value theorem. So in the previous lecture we completed two theorems. The first one is Rolle's theorem. Second one is Lagrange's mean value theorem. The next theorem is Cauchy's mean value theorem. Now we are learning. Okay. So first of all, see the statement of the Cauchy's mean value theorem. Let f from closed interval a comma b tends to R and g from closed interval a comma b tends to R be two functions such that f of x and g of x are continuous. Second one, f of x and g of x are differentiable in open interval a comma b. Third one, g dash of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to open interval a comma b. Then there exists at least one point c belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. So that is equal to here. We are given two functions and f and g. So both functions are continuous in closed interval a comma b, and second one, both functions are differentiable in open interval a comma b, and third one, g dash of x is not equal to 0, and g dash of x is not equal to 0 not equal to 0 means, so in the statement given f dash of c by g dash of c kada, so g dash of c must be denominator derivative is not equal to 0. In case 0 in the is not defined here, so that is the third condition is the must be satisfies. So which at least one point, maybe more than one point exists, at least one point c is belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. Okay, that is equal to remark. The Lagrange's theorem is special case of Cauchy's mean value theorem whenever taking g of x is equal to x. So what is the Lagrange's mean value theorem? F dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a kada. So that is f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So that is a statement of Lagrange's theorem. So in the Cauchy's theorem, substituting g of x is equal to x. The g of x is equal to x means g of b minus g of a is equal to b minus a kada. Next f dash of c means g dash of x is equal to derivative of x 1 and g dash of c is equal to 1 and f dash of c by 1 is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a, and that is equal to f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. That is a Lagrange's theorem. And Cauchy's theorem is the same as Lagrange's theorem whenever taking g of x is equal to x. So this is a Cauchy's mean value theorem. So see that next one. So another form of Cauchy's mean value theorem. So this is another statement. So f and g both functions depend on closed interval a comma a plus h such that f and g both are continuous in closed interval a comma a plus h. Second one, both functions are differentiable in open interval a comma a plus h, and g dash of x is not equal to 0 where so g dash of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to open interval a comma a plus h. Okay, na? Then there exists at least one point theta is belongs to open interval 0 comma 1 such that f dash of a plus theta h by g dash of a plus theta h is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a by g of a plus h minus g of a. And in the previous statement, replacing b by a plus h, and so here exists a point real number theta is belongs to 0 comma 1 such that this is a condition. So this is another form of Cauchy's mean value theorem. Okay, na? So now see the verification is see the verification. First example here. f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, g of x is equal to x square plus 1 in the interval 1 comma 4. Okay, now so how to verify the Cauchy's mean value theorem? The both functions must be continuous and differentiable, and g dash of x is not equal to 0. See, the first of all is, so given functions, so f dash of x is equal to 3, g dash of x is equal to x. So since above functions are algebraic, so that they are continuous and differentiable in open interval 1 comma 4, and g dash of x is equal to 2x. 2x is not equal to 0 because x belongs to open interval 1 comma 4, there is no 0 kada, so it always exist. So therefore both functions satisfy all conditions of Cauchy's mean value theorem in 1 comma 4. Therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem is applicable. So therefore we have to finding at least one point c is belongs to 1 comma 4 such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of 4 minus f of 1 by g of 4 minus g of 1. So that is equal to f dash of c. F dash of c is equal to here f dash of x 3 and 3 by g dash of c, and g dash of x is equal to x and 2c. So f of 4, substituting here f of x is equal to 4, 14 minus f of 1 is equal to 5 by g of 4 is equal to 17 minus g of 1 minus 2. So that is equal to here, simplification is 18c is equal to 45, c is equal to 2.5. So c is equal to 2.5 is belongs to open interval 1 comma 4 together. So there exists one point between 1 and 4. Therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. Okay, this is a Cauchy's theorem. Okay, see the next example. Find the c value of Cauchy's mean value theorem for the functions x square and x cube in closed interval 1 comma 2. So that is equal to the given function f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to x cube. So f dash of x is equal to x, g dash of x is equal to 3x square. So clearly both are continuous and differentiable in closed interval 1 comma 2 because both are polynomials. So g dash of x is not is equal to 3x square. 3x square is not equal to 0 in the interval 1 comma 2. So therefore both functions satisfy all conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. So therefore by Cauchy's mean value theorem there exists at least one point c is belongs to 1 comma 2 such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of 2 minus f of 1 by g of 2 minus g of 1. Substituting here f dash of c and 2x and 2c by g dash of x and 3x square, 3c square, that is equal f of 2 4 minus f of 1 1 by 8 minus 1, g of 2 is equal to 8 minus 1. Simplification is 2 by 3c is equal to 3 by 7. Therefore c is equal to 14 by 9. So 14 by 9 is belongs to 1 comma 2. So therefore this is the Cauchy's mean value theorem of c value. Okay. See the next example. So verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for the functions f of x is equal to log x, g of x is equal to 1 by x in closed interval 1 comma e. That is equal to given function log x, g of x is equal to 1 by x, the given interval 1 comma e. So f dash of x is equal to 1 by x, g dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So clearly both are continuous and differentiable in the given interval, and g dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x square is not equal to 0 in the interval 1 comma e. So both functions are satisfy all conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem is there exists one point c is belongs to open interval 1 comma e such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of e minus f of 1 by g of e minus g of 1. That is equal to f dash of c means 1 by c, g dash of c is equal to minus 1 by c square, f of e log e minus f of 1 log 1 by 1 by e minus 1. That is equal, c is equal to e by e minus 1. So e by e minus 1 is belongs to 1 comma e. So therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. Okay, this is the verification of Cauchy's theorem. See the next example. Verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to e power x, g of x is equal to e power minus x. In the interval 3, 7, find the value of c. So there is a given functions. So both are exponential function, both are continuous and differentiable clearly. And f dash of c is equal to e power x, g dash of x is equal to e power minus x. So that is equal to g dash of x is not equal to 0 in the interval 3, 7. Okay. So both functions are satisfy all conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. So therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem, f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of 7 minus f of 3 by g of 7 minus g of 3. That is equal to f dash of c means e power c by g dash of c means e power minus c. That is equal to e power 7 minus e power 3 by e power minus 7 minus e power minus 3. Now simplification is minus e power here 2c. So e power 7 minus e power 3 by, this is the right the numerator, that is equal 1 by e power 7 minus 1 by e power 3. So take the LCM here denominator. So minus e power 2c is equal to e power 3 minus e power 7 is a cancel, that is a minus common. So remaining e power 7 into e power 3, that is equal to c is equal to 10. Okay, now that is e power 7 into e power 3 means e power 7 plus 3, 10. So c is equal to 5. 5 belongs to in the given interval. Is it clear? So therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. So next one. So if f of x is equal to log x, g of x is equal to x square in the interval a comma b with b greater than a greater than 1, using Cauchy's theorem prove that. This is the proving the equality log b minus log a by b minus a is equal to a plus b by 2 square. So given function f of x is equal to log x, g of x is equal to x square, f dash of x is equal to 1 by x, g dash of x is equal to 2x. So by Cauchy's mean value theorem, there exists c belongs to open to a comma b such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. That is equal to f dash of c means 1 by c, g dash of c means 2c. So f of b means log b minus f of a log a by g of b square, g of a square. So simplification, this is 1 by 2c square is equal to log b minus log a by, which is can be write b minus a into b plus a. So that is equal to, therefore it cross product here, log b minus log a by b minus a plus b right outside, a plus b by 2 square. So this is the equality is the proving by using Cauchy's mean value theorem. Okay. So that is equal to next one. Hence the result. So next, verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to cos x in the interval 0, 5 by 2. So given f of x is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to cos x. So both functions are clearly continuous and differentiable in the given interval, and f dash of x is equal to cos x, g dash of x is equal to minus sin x. Both functions are satisfy all conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. So therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem, there exists c is belongs to open interval 0, 5 by 2 such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of 5 by 2 minus f of 0 by g of 5 by 2 minus g of 0. That is equal to f dash of c means cos c by g dash of c minus sin c. That is equal to sin 5 by 2 minus sin 0 by cos 5 by 2 minus cos 0. That is equal to cos by sin minus cot c sin 91, 1 minus 0 by 0 minus 1. That is equal to cot c is equal to 1. So cot c is equal to 1 is the in terms in the cot at angle pi by 4, cot 5 by 4. Therefore c is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is belongs to 0, 5 by 2. So therefore Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. So next one. Okay, thank you. This is the Cauchy's mean value theorem and verification. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.